This is Damon. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Excuse me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to like sneak up on you, but...
Do you want to pay for our dinner?
Maybe you can teach me how to dance sometime? You can lead the way.
Cute. That's so nice. Do you want to call me?
Yeah.
So how was today?
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Can't complain. I feel like I am operating at like my highest like vibration right now. Like I feel like I'm at like my highest frequency. My name is Damon. I'm 19 years old. I'm a sophomore in college. I feel like over the past couple of months, I've been a shell of myself. Some days I'm on, some days, I feel like I'm not. And I feel like it shouldn't be, like a switch or like something I have to turn on or off. So I'm too much in my head. Like I feel like about my surroundings. Like I feel like I get nervous like when like people are like watching me or like when I'm like, like everybody's gonna see kind of thing. So.
Okay. Any last words before we start?
Wish me luck, and I hope this is the video that gets you to, 1 million subscribers.
10 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm very good, thank you.
I was walking by with my friend, and I saw you were dancing, and I really liked your energy, so I wanted to come say hello.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I hope I'm not like bothering you while you're working. Where are you
Don't bother
from?
me. I'm from Argentina.
Argentina. Nice. Maybe you could teach me how to dance sometime.
No.
What? You're not a good
You can come
teacher?
and dance here.
Oh, okay. Can I get your number and maybe I take you out sometime, grab a drink?
I can.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. It was nice talking to you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
First one out of the way. First one of the day is it's out of the way. Excuse me. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to like sneak up on you, but I was just walking by with my friend and I saw you and I was like, man, she's gorgeous. I gotta come say what's up with her.
Thank you.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can't complain. Better now.
Better now.
Yeah.
Where are you from? So I was born in Panama City.
Florida, PCB. Nice.
And then
You are all over the
I've
place.
never been here before.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't really know like
I'm actually like with my friend until like 6 or 7, but if you want, like I can give you my number. I can tell you where we're going out
Do you
to
have
later.
social media?
Yeah,
Instagram?
for sure.
Just DM me and we'll figure it out because we don't have any plans. We're trying to figure out what to do later.
Okay,
so
awesome.
We don't really know the
All right, I'll take care of you guys.
What's your name?
Damon.
Damon? Yeah.
All right, nice to meet you. She was really good looking, I thought, and like I feel like I'm a good looking guy. Like I feel like I have self confidence, and I feel like I definitely could see myself with somebody like that. But like, I think it was definitely good for me to just go out and like make that happen and be like, yeah,
You're saying that your ego, you kind of boosted your ego a little bit.
In layman's terms, yeah. D-Lo, bro, you're gonna see her, bro, and you're gonna be like, Damon, bro, this might be your best work yet. Like, I don't want to say like full potential because there's always room for like improvement and stuff, but I definitely feel like I am like myself. Like I am not holding anything back. I'm like if I want to say something, like if I see a pretty girl, I'm gonna tell her she's pretty, So yeah, I'm happy about that. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I was on the phone with my friend and I saw you walk out and I hung up the phone call because I had to come talk to you. You're gorgeous. Where are you from?
Thank you. I'm from Vermont.
Oh,
Yeah.
out of towner.
Yeah.
Out of towner. How long are you here for?
Saturday?
You're leaving Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You plan on going out tonight?
Trying, yeah.
Trying? What does that mean?
We don't know yet.
We
Some
don't know.
promoter sold us tickets to Club Live.
I don't know if you feel more comfortable going with a promoter that you met at Club Live or me. I just met you. However,
Probably.
we are getting okay, so I am going out tonight and like I am getting a section at the club that we're going out to. So like if you guys are interested, like
Okay.
can I get your number and then like
Yeah, sure. Do you want to call me?
Yeah, you got it? All right, cool. I'll text you guys later.
Okay.
All right, have a good one.
Part of me feels like, you really made that moment about going out, You
Yeah,
could
instead
have
of connecting.
going
Yeah.
to the beach, you could have
For
a
sure.
drink just with her, you know what I
sure.
mean? Like, this is just a comment, like I'm not obviously like it's fine, I'm sure it's
Yeah.
whatever, but I just felt that you cornered yourself
Yeah.
as like the club
That
guy.
is-
Part of me felt like you were almost like cheapening yourself.
Really?
I don't know, like I
Yeah.
just felt like you have
Yeah,
more-
less
you have-
authentic.
I just felt like you have more to offer than just like like,
For
let's go
sure.
to the club,
For sure.
Like,
Yeah, no, I get that. Excuse me. I was just walking by with my friend and I saw you and I was like, I don't know, I just really liked your aesthetic. I just wanted to come say hello. Yeah. The shark necklace is cute, and the piercings, it's just really well put together.
Sorry, I don't understand so much English.
Oh, really?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Oh.
So.
Can I have like un momento? Let me just.
Sí, sí.
Okay.
Thank you. See, I understand that.
Oh, really?
I get lost then.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much. Really. I'm leaving tomorrow. Sorry. I got to.
Okay. Bye. Have a good one. She's leaving tomorrow. She doesn't speak English. However, I did pull the Google Translate.
So Ruben, so the guy's name is also Ruben. Ruben, for you.
You put me on game. That wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for you. Damn. And that was stuff I really wanted to say, like word of mouth, but like it's straight. I mean, she definitely got the message, but like those are some like genuine things. I wasn't bullshitting or anything. Like I just saw it, and like I was just like, man, those things. I don't know. Those things just really like stuck out to me, and I just wanted to like let her know that.
Very genuine.
People like to talk, so that was like honestly like really nice to see that, you know, like people are like open to conversation and stuff.
Everyone likes a good surprise. You just have to be a good surprise.
That's so true. Yeah, be a pleasant surprise. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt your shopping. I was just passing by and I thought you were very beautiful. I wanted to come say hello.
Thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What's your name? Are you from here or are you out of town?
I'm out of town.
Oh, from where?
Ooh. That's a lot of information.
I'm just making conversation, being friendly. You don't.
Jersey.
From Jersey? Oh, okay. What part?
South.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my dad went to Montclair State, so like I know how it is. So I don't know how long you're here for, but like if you're interested, maybe we could grab a drink sometime.
Kind of in a relationship right now, so it's not.
Oh, okay. All right. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yo! So I kind of regret not challenging you to like try to be more present. You were talking a lot about either like going out or, you know, like where are you from? You could have like talked more about like what is going on right now in that scene, you know?
Yeah, I did think about that like after the fact. Like that was something that I had been mindful of. Like I'm like trying to be more like aware and like trying to improve off each interaction. So.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I mean, obviously you did very well that day, you know. But you know, I was like, fuck, if I had said that, maybe, you know, who knows what would have happened, you know?
Excuse me. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Do you want to pay for our dinner?
No, I do not, but I am flattered though. I'm flattered. I was walking by though and I saw you. You caught my eye. Yeah, I saw you.
Was my butt crack showing?
No, I would let you know if I saw crack and not the kind you smoke. So I would definitely let you know. I would have let you know. But I was walking by and I was like, yo, that lavender top, need to see what's going on with her.
Thank you.
Honestly, when we're all together tonight in the club having a good time, you're gonna be like, I'm so happy I gave her that purple top because this trip is gonna go so much better now. Where are you guys from? Where am I going? I'm asking the questions, alright?
We're from Arizona.
Arizona, nice. Tonight, I think I'm going to Fort Lauderdale though.
Oh, fair enough.
That is where the spot
We're going
is.
to Kilo Tequila Garden.
I've heard of it. It'll be a good time, but not as much of a good time as you would have with me though.
We're just get her number.
Wow, you're just like, you're carrying me right now. Like, all right, I'm gonna text you, but it was a pleasure talking to you guys. Take care, have a good one.
This was like huge baller, huh? Table of what, like 5,
It was
6?
5, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It was 5.
How do you feel?
Honestly, I feel like calm, like it's I don't want to say like it's normal, like it's regular, but like
Jedi.
well, now I have options for tonight, so I will update the channel with how my night goes. Yeah, I don't know why we have this like connotation that people are gonna be like angry or like they're not gonna want to talk. Like I don't know, and it just really surprised me. Like it honestly just made like my whole day, and like that's what I think made this experience like what it was. And I think it'll help you realize that, you know, like we're not so different and we're all human. Excuse me. I was walking by and I saw you and I thought you were gorgeous. I had to come say hello.
You have snap?
I definitely do. Wow, you're all right. You can lead the way.
That's so nice.
What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Shirt. The jellyfish.
You have really nice eyes.
Thank you.
I'm just like spreading them all around.
What about her?
I'm not gonna lie. No, hold on. Like this is not like me being corny. Like all three of you guys have gorgeous eyes.
Thank you.
Like I don't know. Like birds of a flock like flock together, I guess.
Am I green or blue? I never know.
I don't know. They might be changing color.
Blue.
Does that happen when you get excited?
No green. No, I feel like they always stay this way.
I was just being sarcastic.
Bluish green, maybe? Thanks. Oh, I didn't catch that. Sarcasm.
All right, cool. So, I'm gonna finish up with my friend, and I'm heading back to Wynwood. But if you guys want to like meet up later, I'm going out tonight.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, gonna
let
have
me
a good
know.
time.
Just text me on Snap.
Yeah, for sure.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Take care.
Nice way to end the day, huh?
Solid. That one was like awesome. I hadn't
It
received.
was so hot. It was almost wholesome.
Yes, it was. You know, if your intentions are good, like people are gonna be welcoming towards that. Yeah, that was a good way to end the day. I'm happy, and they were all super cute, super nice, super friendly. So I low-key want this one right here, though. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I was walking and I saw your top, and then I like got a glimpse of your face, and I was like, wow, she dresses well and she's cute too. I have to talk to her.
That's my boyfriend.
Oh, yo, lucky guy. I'm so sorry, bro. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for doing that.
Thank you for having me, bro. Thank you for having me. Yeah, it was a great experience, and I hope you're back again and we can do it again.
Get to know him, but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up.